Okay, so this is a demo of uploading a PDF and adding it to the home page. First thing you're going to do is log into the back end of the website, and then you will go to the admin panel to the home page and click Edit. No, I'm in the wrong place. Hold on. Content Editor. Find the home page and go to Edit. And then you want to scroll down on the page, find the 50 plus group newsletter where it says December. Go ahead and change that to January. And then you're going to highlight it because right now it's still linking to December. You're going to break the connection to the December link and you're going to click the unbroken chain to link it to the new page. So I'm going to browse to the file since I don't know the URL where it's at. Click Browse File. Make sure you're in Documents folder and then go to Upload. And you're going to navigate to wherever you saved that file from the email that Lindsay Smith or whoever sent it was. I think I have it in Downloads. Here it is, 50 Plus Happenings PDF. I'm going to choose it. And then you just locate it in your list. Make sure it's highlighted. Click the Choose in the upper left-hand corner. And that's going to make a link to the PDF file on the server. Say OK. Go to the bottom of the page and save it. And then I just always navigate to the front end of the website and check and make sure the link works. So you go to the bottom of the page, 50 plus group, January newsletter, and there it is. And that's it. Okay.